Another quick thing I want to show you are quotes in JavaScript. I have been showing you how to do strings with single quotes. So I am a single quote. That is just a preference thing. You can also do strings with double quotes. These are the exact same thing. Where the difference comes in is if you would have, for example, item 7, and say if we tried to create an apostrophe in the middle of our string, I'm a total noob named Nick, and I would try to end this, and if we would try to log item 7, you can see it's breaking the entire script. Error on 158. That's because it thinks the string ends there. We need to escape this for that to work. So you do escaping with a /, and that works. The other alternative to that is you could do double quotes instead, and now the single quote is allowed inside of it. That's the other way around the kind of single double quote issue. You'll have to mess around with that and kind of pick up your own kind of methods.